I'm going to attempt to remove this piece of, not called plantation, whatever it's called in English. We're going to put some more stone plates there and remove some of the plantation over here as well. Okay, now you can see a little bit better. So we're going to continue with the stone plates for this section and put grass on this section and just keep the plantation in there along the trees and bushes. So let's just get to work. I bought some sand. Apparently taking sand from the beach is not okay. So yeah, you can buy sand in bags. Cool, let's put it in the hole. Okay, and new tiles have arrived and grass seeds. So let's put that in and put some soil around where the tiles does not meet the grass, and then the grass seeds in the soil. Okay, I hope you can see me, that I'm in frame. I feel quite happy about this, being that this is the first time I've done anything like this and I have no idea what I am doing. So I'm gonna call that good for today because it's starting to pour. I'm gonna put the grass seeds in and then end this video. So thank you for watching. Who knows how to do this, really? Should have maybe googled something or read something on this box, but yeah, maybe next time if this fails miserably, which it probably will. Nah, it's already raining. It will grow. Okay. And yeah, the tiles have a different shade, but the old ones just need a cleaning, hopefully.